Hi everybody, welcome to Passing It On, a culinary legacy for the next generation. I am Reena, your host for today. Today I'm going to try something different. In fact, I've never tried it in my entire life. This is basically a young green jackfruit. We're so used to actually getting those big jackfruit, the fresh one at home, and preparing it. So I actually don't know what's inside of this can until I open it. So stay tuned as we go together to find out how we can prepare this. Okay, so now for the ingredients for the jackfruit curry. This is what we used when we have fresh jackfruit at home. I've got a bit of ginger garlic, I've got mustard seed, oil, garam masala, your masala, Kashmiri masala, your turmeric, one onion, salt, tomato, and then I have the can of your jackfruit. Okay, so now I'm going to open this. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of brine coming out. You need to get rid of the brine, the water, okay? So I'm just going to put this in a colander. This is the jackfruit, and these are the seeds. In fact, when we were growing up, these was quite big, and when it's ripe, it's very, very tasty. So you just need to break it up. Okay, just break it up a bit, because we're going to put this into the curry. You can actually use a knife, but I prefer, because you see you have to move the seeds out. Can you see the seeds inside here? That's the seeds, you have to take the seeds out. This is nice and soft also. In fact, in those days, growing up as a child, this was like a substitute for mutton curry. So, and they had like, mom should put sweet potatoes. So as you can see, just take the seeds off here. This is a seed, you take it off. So you don't bite into it because it's quite hard. Okay? So you're going to take all that off before you actually prepare this. Okay, so this is how the jackfruit looks after it's been shredded. As you can see, it's like stops here. So this is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so I'm going to add a bit of oil to my pot. Just let that get hot a bit. Okay, it is hot. I'm going to add a bit of onion, mustard seeds, I'm going to use some crackle and pop for the mustard seeds. I'm going to let this brown a bit. So I'm going to add my turmeric, quarter teaspoon, the garam masala, quarter. I'm going to add my tomatoes. The powder. Ginger garlic. This I have to take a bit of care because I paid like 51 rand for a can of this. I'll add the salt a bit later. Then just let this cook a bit. And I'll come back to the pot. Okay, since I've taken all the brine when I was opening the can, obviously there's no liquid in the jackfruit, and I don't want it to be a bit too dry, so I'm going to add a bit of water, and then it just steam a bit. Salt to this. I just want to put the curry leaf for now. Let that cook a bit. Alright, the curry is now ready. Just going to put a bit of garnishing. Okay, so that's ready for us to plate. Okay, so now it's time for me to tuck in. Okay. I've got a bit of roti. Okay, not bad. It still has the same taste as a normal jackfruit, you know, the fresh one. Not bad at all. In fact, I would recommend this as an easy meal. You know, you don't want to buy the actual jackfruit. So this is quite good. Okay, 51 rand, so that's worth it. Who's the director? It's worth it. I'll dig in one more. Okay, so guys, this is a good meal. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, even as you go into the week ahead, whatever problems, trials may face, remember, have hope, and stay safe, and God bless.